Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this next video I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks to sort a few little issues that we've found with this motor. The first one being low compression. So you just want to bring that piston to top dead center. Now, about there. And you might hear the welder going in the background, and that is indeed the earth clamp. So then what you want to do is just get a couple little tacks here. Now this next little trick's one that was taught to me by an old mechanical engineer quite some time ago. Now what you want to do, again using the welder, by closing up quite a few of these holes, you're actually opening the door to more horsepower. Now this next one, this particular bearing has developed a noise. So again, with the welder, you just want to